Good morning, Mr. Graassi. Sir, you're charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon. The reason that we took you into custody now is because you have an open felony warrant. Give me 1 second. Hold on, let me see. I don't even know what it is. Okay, so you have an open fraudulent use or possession of identifying information less than 5 items. Right now, it's an open warrant and there's no bond that's set, so I can't let you go. If I let you go now, not only would I get in trouble, but both of them would get in trouble as well. When you have an open felony warrant, we're not allowed to let you go.
Monday was the court case for that, and I came to court with my attorney. They told me that it was going to be thrown out for no probable cause, and I was free to go, and they would send it to the grand jury, and the grand jury would issue a warrant for my arrest. And at that time, I would possibly go through another case and get indicted.
He's right.
I understand that, but it actually has it down as a failure to appear on the 7th, and it was verified as a good warrant. Yes.
My attorney was with me as well.
So I don't even have a listed attorney here. Who is it?
CEO Fliescher.
I don't know if I have that number.
So I want to say it's out of the 178th. Oh, 248.
Yes, sir. On the 16th.
178.
Yeah.
And I believe this other gentleman.
So I'll let you, when we take you in back there, I'll let you, do you have her phone number? I'll let you make a phone call to her to see what can happen. But when there's a felony warrant, I can't let you go.
Yes, sir.
I see that they found no probable cause, and I don't understand why the warrant is still active. I have no idea. You know, typically when like a judge finds no probable cause, a judge still has to sign a motion to dismiss, and that would end the case. Here, I see.
Order in the court.
If the magistrate found no probable cause, but I don't see a dismissal, and that may be, I don't know. We'll let you reach out to Ms. Fliescher, and then hopefully she can advise you of more. So we're going to do probable cause on this case. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you. Okay.
So record 124, officer observed a red Tesla Model S fail to stop for a stop sign at the intersection of the 5000 block of Holly Street and South Rice Avenue. Officer initiated a traffic stop and the vehicle quickly accelerated into the parking lot of Bel Air High School where the vehicle came to a park. The defendant exited the vehicle and began moving quickly toward the school. Officer tried to block the defendant's entry into the school to further conduct the traffic stop. The defendant was immediately uncooperative and repeatedly claimed he did not know what a traffic stop was. Officer asked for an ID multiple times, but the defendant kept saying he forgot his ID. The defendant stated he did not have a Texas driver's license, but had one from North Carolina. The defendant was placed into custody for traffic violations. The defendant's wallet was removed from his pocket and checked for an ID. Defendant's North Carolina ID was located in the wallet along with a social security card bearing his name and a second social security card with the same name, but with a different SSN. During an inventory of the vehicle, officer located in the center console a Glock 9mm semi-automatic pistol, which was reported stolen out of North Carolina. On the floorboard behind the driver's seat, officer located approximately 0.5 grams of marijuana. Later in the investigation, it was determined the defendant also does have a Texas driver's license.
Is it possible? Licenses for multiple states?
Not supposed to. You're supposed to surrender your out-of-state license when you get a Texas one.
You can't have multiple licenses.
It's after 90 days of residing in the current state, you have to dump the other license.
Correct.
I thought it was 2 weeks.
No, it's 90 days.
90 days.
Did they change it?
Yeah, they must have, because when I moved here, the same thing happened. I saw a letter that told me I have 90 days to surrender.
This is Mr. Graassi.
Is he on the docket, Judge?
Yeah,
Yes.
Grai. What's weird is that it looks like the 248 found no probable cause, but there's still an open felony warrant. That
It looks like it was direct indicted 2 days ago, Judge.
I don't think I've ever seen it go that quick. Wow.
It looks like the prosecutor may have already had a grand jury day. They just said, I'll just add the case. Yeah.
That's
Pay
why.
attention to the judge, not the
Indicted.
computer.
Yes, sir.
That's why.
Could you explain that
Judge,
to me?
did you need me to?
Please. I'll have your lawyer explain it to you, okay? Because I got a bunch of people waiting. But it's a good warrant. That's all I'm going to tell you. It's a good warrant. I am going to find probable cause in our case here, okay? I want you to understand do you have a Texas driver license? Okay, you're not allowed to drive. I'm making that a condition of your bond. Unless you have a Texas driver license and liability insurance, you're not allowed to drive. I'm going to have you sign an affidavit promising me you're not going to drive. I assume that you're going to get out, right? You have made bond in our case. As soon as Ms. Swisher gets up there, I'm sure they'll get you a bond and you'll be able to bond out in felony case, but don't just start driving. If you want to drive, go get a license, get liability insurance, come back to me, show me, and then I'll take the restriction off. The only other condition I'm going to put on you at this time is don't have any weapons, okay? As long as you can abide by these conditions, you'll be fine with me. I'm going to appoint you a lawyer now. If Ms. Swisher at a later time decides to sign on to the case, great, but we'll give you a lawyer for now, and then you can also explain what's going on to that lawyer now.
Am I still able to explain to Ms. Fisher?
Yes, yeah, I mean, we'll take him back now and I'll give you time to make a phone call, absolutely. Do you have any questions?
May I ask, why are you finding probable cause?
The gun is stolen.
Is it-
That's what it Alleged.
And may I ask one more question?
Sure.
You all said that it was moved to grand jury 2 days ago. Is that the time that the warrant was issued, or was the warrant issued following the court?
So what happens typically is as soon as a grand jury indicts a case, that it simultaneously issues a warrant at that time as well. So what they do is they'll typically have around at least 9 to 12 independent people listen to the facts of the case and decide whether there's enough probable cause. Just because one judge finds no probable cause, they can still take it to a grand jury and have it indicted. That's what they've done. And they do it to me too. Like, I'll find no probable cause in a case. If they disagree with it, they take it to a grand jury and still have it indicted. So just because I found no probable cause, that's not the end. Okay. All right. Good luck, Mr. Graassi. And well, can you file
No weapons and what else,
no
Judge?
weapons and no driving?
Judge.
Thanks. John Paul,
Good morning, Judge. Good afternoon.
how are you?
I'm good, Judge.
Come on, Mr. Man.
Judge, on this one, yesterday I had zoomed in and got the court's permission for us to have this setting on Monday because
Oh, that's right. I
I'm going-
remember.
I'm at the CLE and I'm about to run back in.
Oh, that's right. We had rolled this over to, hey, we had rolled this to Monday because he couldn't be here. Cedillo couldn't be here. That's why.
And-
On Mr.
and
Mann. That's right. No, I remember that. No. I guess you were, were you supposed to email Victoria?
I did, Judge, yesterday.
She didn't get one.
I have been having it in my emails, Judge. I apologize. I showed up this morning to try and reconfirm it, but
Well, look, let's finish this real quick because I mean, and we'll get you out of here. All
Well,
I
but-
have is, huh?
okay,
Mr. Mann has bond violations. Am I right?
yes, Judge, but given the nature of the bond violation, I very much wanted to be there to speak to him and speak to the court.
He
It is
tested
his
positive for methamphetamine, John.
Yes, Judge, that's why I would like to be there to address it.
Yeah, well, I guess I'm not letting him go. He tested positive for meth. His case is 1,300 days old. Am I right?
Yes, Judge, I believe so.
I'm sorry, as much as I love you, John, I mean, he's testing positive for meth. It's 1,341 days old. We give you multiple chances and now you're testing positive for meth and no,
Sir,
I'm sorry.
I can't even explain that to say I just came to court, my parents wanted so mad to come, and I didn't want to play with you at all.
Look, I don't want you to say anything without your lawyer being present. I can have him reach out to you in the back if we can always roll it to Monday too, and we can talk about it then. But I mean, when do we say when, Mr. Mann?
So, yes, I hear you, sir. I understand everything that you're not trying to, sir. I understand. I don't have an explanation for you.
John,
Can we keep him on for Monday, Judge?
absolutely, of course.
I understand the
Of course.
revocation, Your Honor, but if I can
Yes.
address it Monday.
Absolutely. We'll talk Monday then.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
Okay, bud. All right. Thank you for coming.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Yeah.
Hey, Judge, I'm so sorry. I just saw this appointment on Lorenzo Grace.
Graassi. Oh, they sent him down because it's late.
I'm sorry, I just
It's
saw
okay.
it.
It's okay. Don't worry about it. He's gonna auto-populate on Monday. So what happened with Mr. Graassi is,
Judge, we do still have him, sorry.
okay. So he's on bond. So basically, the state's already gone as well, Shreya. So, I can't really talk.
Yeah, that's okay. I tried to call the holdover, but it oddly enough goes to some PD's number.
Oh, great. You're still here. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Okay, good. Sorry. Just give me
perfect.
2 minutes, please.
Okay, pause right here. This is where things get really interesting. The judge just confirmed what feels like legal whiplash. No probable cause at the magistrate level, but a felony indictment 2 days later. That's not common, but it is allowed. Prosecutors can go straight to a grand jury if they think the first ruling was wrong.
So Shreya just got here for Mr. Graassi. So essentially what happened is gets pulled over. I think it was marijuana smoke, or doesn't have a front license plate, weed car smell. So they go through the stuff, they find a stolen gun. He also, in his wallet, has multiple licenses. So they end up charging him with the felony fraud. For some reason, the magistrate found no PC on the felony case.
Oh,
Yeah, I don't know, right? But he found, or she, I don't know who it was, right? They find no PC. And then literally 2 days.
Let's break this down simply. The fraud charge? That's coming from multiple IDs and social security cards, which prosecutors see as intent even before conviction. Add in a stolen firearm, and suddenly this isn't a traffic stop anymore, it's a felony pipeline.
Later, they take it to a grand jury to get indicted. And so,
I have a child.
okay, hold on. So this is the lawyer that we
oh,
appointed.
it's the warrant. So I'm guessing that we're taking him in on the warrant.
We're taking him in on a felony warrant, correct? He's on bond in our
Yes, I see
unlawful
that.
turn of the case. And so,
Okay,
with our case, I ordered him not to drive because he doesn't have a valid Texas driver license. I also ordered him not to have any possession of any weapons. I told him that we were gonna take him in, and he has a lawyer up there, he said, of Cheryl Swisher, but I don't see that she's filed any documents in the felony court, so I don't know.
I don't see any attachment on the felony case either.
Did you reach out to her?
I just spoke with her. She's currently out of town. She won't be back in town until Monday.
Okay, so unfortunately, you're gonna have to sit till Monday. On Monday, she'll be able to go up there, try to talk to them to get you a bond or whatnot.
Would the magistrate give me a bond?
This is the emotional gut punch moment. His attorney is out of town, the bond isn't set yet, and that means one thing, he waits. Not because he's been convicted, but because procedure moves slower than real life. This is where a lot of people lose faith in the system. The law isn't saying he's guilty, it's saying not today.
You think at PC court?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to tell you when, I just don't know. Because you've already, typically you go in front of a magistrate when you've not been in front of a judge before. So my inkling is no, that you'll have to wait till Monday. But I mean, stranger things have happened in this life. We're going to give you a reset. The reset will have Shreya's number on it so that when you do get out, you can remain in contact with her. Like I said, don't take off on us. Because I'm not going to give you another PR bond. You take off or you violate conditions.
Can I just get a quick phone number for him?
I'm on a Zoom live stream, so it's not.
Oh, yes. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'll check his bond paperwork and then I'll look it up and he'll have.
I'll tell you
my
what,
number.
here, let's do this. Do you mind writing your phone number? Do you have a cell phone? Okay, write it here and then I'm gonna chat it to Shreya. Well, hold on. Hey,
The
hey.
mic
Vinny.
is, yeah.
Yeah, that's
Here,
good.
go ahead. If you can.
We just don't want the entire world to have your number. That's it. Of all 2 people that are probably.
Everyone might have a question.
Victoria, do you want to
Make
put
it
him
famous.
on for Tuesday
Cool
so
with
that
that. Young Guns? Remember Young Guns?
Yes.
Make you famous.
Felony can get him Monday that way?
Okay, sounds good.
Hold on, Shreya, hold on.
Okay.
Okay, I've given her your phone number. She will get in contact with you between now and Monday. If not, then on Monday. And then we'll see you then. You'll probably hit felony court on Monday, so we'll probably see you on Tuesday, and then you'll be able to bond out after they get your bond set.
There's no any kind of circumstance I could speak with someone if I have a child.
I can make you make a phone call back there now. You know, I mean, you got a felony warrant. There's not much that I can do. You know, I can't let you leave. I would get in trouble, and I already have enough trouble in my life and enough drama. I really don't want to. So, okay, Shreya, anything else?
No, that's it, Judge, and I'll follow up with Cheryl Swisher today.
Okay, guys. All right. Take care, Mr. Gracie.
So, thank you so much.
See you soon.
Thanks, Judge.
Thanks.